All right, folks, good morning. Good morning. It's Saturday, April 8th, 2023. It is 7:30 in the morning. Getting an early start today. Got a big day today. Bobby's bringing a 62 over here. I know he's been waiting a while. We all been waiting. But we got the black 64 out of here. We got my 60 in the room next door getting body worked. And so now we have space for the 62. It's going to be a long-term project, probably be here for at least a year. Don't know how much we're going to get done today. We want to get it here safely first. He lives about an hour away. And then get it off the trailer, get it in here, get it on the lift, basically assess, see what we got. Probably won't tear into too much today. Maybe get the fenders and hood off, something like that, make some progress. But I don't think we're going to be cutting anything out of the car today. So bring you guys back here once they show up with the trailer. And here we go. 22 minutes late. Let's go see what he got. Man, I thought it was supposed to be really nice weather this weekend, man. I know, it's 55 degrees.
Hey, you say you didn't sleep last night.
Okay. That's a V6. It's probably good right there, man. That's good. Yeah, I think so. Look at this shit.
Bucket.
Wait a minute.
Well, you guys always bring the most fucked up cars.
What's up, bro?
I thought it was in better condition, man.
What's up, bro? Good morning, buddy.
You always bring the most effed up cars, Bobby.
This is the new stuff. 3D
quarter panel. Damn, I thought we spray painted this.
Yeah, we did. 2 years ago. 2 years.
Sheesh, man. Man. Bobby stayed up all night.
Yeah, man, he didn't sleep.
That's a custom grill too. Is the grill guard bent?
Yep.
Bent in? So what, both quarters? You got fenders already? Hood? The hood ain't bad.
Probably fix the hood. Ain't that bad.
Nah, man. Both quarters, doors,
Bucket,
floor.
everything.
Sheesh, man.
Just say everything, man. You have a knife?
For what?
Cut that teeth.
Yeah, let me turn this off.
A little lower.
Yeah, a little lower.
Money starts coming out.
Oh, there it is.
Huh.
Got a nice test.
Man, what a bucket.
That's a galvanized patched?
Is that fiberglass?
Yeah, that's fiberglass. Or it looks like it.
Yeah, it's kind of like 2 layers.
Fiberglass and filler on
Yeah.
top.
Hey man, they just left it bare metal and just put filler over it. That's crazy. Look at that, there's no primer.
I wonder how long ago that's been.
Did you do this, Bobby?
Bobby did it.
That's even welded, didn't it?
Shit, it might not even be welded, man.
Let me see that hammer.
Cause
I'm not gonna hit it, I'm just gonna.
well, hit it, man. Don't be scared.
So this is the original metal one? Possibly?
That might not be galvanized, man.
Nah, I thought it was.
You just roughed up.
Yeah. It did rough it up pretty
But I mean, it didn't rust under it. It rusted on the seam, but right here,
good. Nothing.
huh?
So this is original metal, huh?
Probably.
Like one tack, look at that.
Like a screw.
Right? The holes.
Man, I would do from the trim down, dude, and hide the seam. This is good.
Like in the middle of the hole?
Yep. Just like
good too,
just like the 60. Nah, because then that's you have to body work that crease, man. Right? But the quarter panel already has that grease, the new one. So what you got, Bob? You got both quarters?
I got both quarters.
Both quarters. You got full floor with rockers
Yep.
and braces.
Yep.
You got a new trunk.
Yep.
And you got
Not
fenders.
trunk, but
Oh well, yeah, OEM trunk.
Yeah.
And you got a bunch of fenders.
Yep. Only thing I don't have is doors, which might reskin.
Maybe.
I think we can get away with fixing these, man. I think.
Does it
we can
open?
have- this one doesn't open. The other one does. Once we get the fender off, we can unbolt it from right here.
Got a sunroof.
This is a pretty good deal at $300, man. What do you think? Damn, I wonder what's going on here, man. This thing is not even close to the shape, man. Jeez.
Like down, right?
What?
The lower quarter. But see, this is good, man. Well, it's got a little bit of action right here, but man, I would do from the trim down.
We'll get a bare metal, man. See what we got.
And you got your little antenna bezel or templates.
Is this the door that doesn't open or that one?
Both of them.
Both don't open?
We kicked it open last time from the inside
So you've never sat in it?
Yeah, I said
when Justin was here. There you go. What's the bottom look like?
Alright,
Looking on my skirt.
Man, that ain't that bad, man.
Yeah.
This door ain't that bad.
I want to say it was that side that was worse.
Oh, this is how I like to roll, man.
Yeah. You got that? You got a tilt column?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drop a
We
gear
already
and
painted that. Huh?
disappear.
Oh yeah.
Paraglide.
How? Over here acting like a 8-year-old.
Hey, this trim is really nice, man. Hey, did you see the interior trim?
The headliner?
No, right here. The bezel. Look at this.
Yeah, it's really nice.
This
Huh.
sucker's intact.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
I'm not even use that
Why?
because I want.
Hey, you can sell it, man. I sold my glove box trim for like $65, man.
I want to paint it like the Valerius.
Oh, you want to paint it? Okay.
Oh.
What?
We got some Winston.
Them Dorals.
Yeah,
Doral, whatever they
Open
are.
the trunk.
You got a screwdriver? Or has it got a key or what? Go get it. Get the long one. Man.
Custom, baby. It's like a carburetor spring.
Yeah. See, he put that relay over there, man, for the roof.
Oh, this
So
right
you
here?
could use a 3-prong switch.
Oh, nice.
Justin did that. Because he gave him he sold him a window, power window switch.
Sweet. Man, that's a lot of wires to run that switch.
Yeah.
But that's good, though. It's going to be nice.
Yeah, with the little
Where's
power
your-
window switch. How's it got a red dash but a blue dash pad, man?
Oh, it's got a dash pad. Sweet.
It won't stay up?
Hey, this floor ain't bad.
The upper shelf ain't bad, man.
It wasn't really the floor, it was mostly the rockers.
Oh, okay. Oh, the rocks are right.
The trunk gutter's good, man. Trunk gutter's good.
Yeah.
A little bit right here.
Man, that ain't shit.
Nah, that's nothing, man.
Man, you won on $300, dude. Wow. Well, plus gas to go get it.
Little holes here.
You were talking turkey with him?
Yeah. Yeah, about to talk turkey.
Stars like the Bentley.
Oh, this is the trunk you replaced. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty far gone, man. Got a Coke can in there.
The water pipe.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I would save these washers, man.
Yes.
These are 61, 62, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I
Man.
don't know how that happens. Split in half.
Stainless is good on the back window, man. Drip rail's good. This is good. Custom antenna, it's Frenched. They just didn't finish it.
Gotta drop $1,000 every month.
Yeah, it's gonna cost you $1,000 a month, Bobby,
What is it for you?
till it's done.
For what?
$1,000 a month.
Let's see. I gotta calculate this shit like a...
Or it's more like $2,000 a month.
Yeah, I'd say about 1,000. With parts and stuff and all that other stuff.
All right. Well,
We'll bring it back.
yep. Bring y'all back once we get it. I think we can get on the lift in a few hours, a couple hours.
Good thing we're shaking the firewall.
I thought we were gonna fix it.
Shit. John.
We got surprises right here.
Before and after the basic demo firewall kits.
We got surprises right here. So more firewall kit? Yeah, this is a good
It's got
example.
accumulators. Yeah. Accumulators.
Those are 400 psi. All we gotta do is relabel them for lowrider use and make a bunch of money.
You like the chrome wheel-offs?
Hey, somebody spent money on those back in the day,
Yeah, man.
and actually they're still usable.
Yeah, back in the day, that probably cost you $100, right?
I probably went to Reynosa.
That's still good. Sandblasted.
Big old patch right here. Yeah, I guess you can grind it down, make it smooth. Hey, let's take the accumulators out, see how low it gets.
This car's falling apart in my driveway.
Hey, you think this will get it low to the ground
More surprise.
There's no springs at all?
without the accumulators?
Accumulators.
Rockers.
There's no springs. Oh no, I got springs. Yeah, no, it won't go down much at all. Rocker.
Hey, you need this bracket bubble. That was good.
Pick it up, bro.
The cow's good, man. Cow's good. Sheesh.
What I get into?
Man, it ain't bad for the 300 you paid, man.
Should've just gone with the scuff and spray, man. Would've been much cheaper.
Should have just bought me a G-body.
Ouch.
Hey, y'all want to bet we find some animals in here?
Yeah.
Oh, wrong side.
It's probably what, half?
Yeah, there's baby possums in there.
Yeah.
Get in there. One second.
Oh, this rocker. It's got the exhaust vent, the exhaust port already on it. But you got all the metal, huh?
I don't have auto rockers.
You only got inners?
I think the outer ones go first, huh?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
I think you put the outer ones first and then.
Then the inner?
So I need to get that
Yeah, I would go ahead and get that.
ASAP.
Yep. Stainless is good, man. Dripper over here is pretty good too. Ain't bad, man. Ain't bad. Ain't bad. The trunk drop-offs are good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the trunk is actually not, the inside of the trunk is not that bad. I wish I was earlier.
Yeah, that ain't that bad, man. Just the center?
Yeah, a little bit on the center.
Okay. Drip rail's good. Gutter's good. Man, you might as well. Well, no, I'll leave the trunk on there. I'll take it off yet. I don't know. The trunk might take itself off.
Did it work? Did the bundle work or did it fail?
I mean, it worked for a long time, obviously. It's like there's no rust here. You know? And this thing been sitting outside for how many years? Ain't no telling.
You don't need that.
What?
No.
The brake cylinder?
I'll be running that fancy one.
Yeah, don't.
Hey man, you gotta use that stuff conservatively.
Hey, is this a Canadian frame or not?
No.
Nicest one I've seen in a long time.
You'll never find
Hey,
one.
there was a set of tweezers.
You won't find another one like it.
Yeah. Anyone who knows knows.
We're gonna have fun cleaning all this up.
He is. We can push it in a little bit here, man.
Yeah, that way we have mess in That way we can have a mess in 2 spots.
Yeah.
What's this right here?
Mouse repellent. What are you gonna do on the firewall, man? 1 piece? 2 piece?
I got the
Wiper delete?
Yeah.
Wiper, so I do 1 whole piece, man. Straight.
No, I gotta bring the engine here. I mean, the
other frame?
frame.
You ain't got no Caltech? Fell off? Oh, I see.
Goes off.
You ready? Who's ready?
I say a snake.
I ain't gonna be none in there, man.
I mean, not a live one.
Hey, pull that side, Bubba.
Hell no, I'm scared.
Come on, it's your car. Actually, we need to cut these.
Oh, that cable.
Yeah. You got the.
Hey, man, y'all moved along pretty quick, man. Got the whole front clip and the bumpers.
And we got a new exhaust fan.
Oh, yeah.
Everything goes about fast when you have a cutoff wheel. Watch your eyes.
Hey, we got the door open.
That's progress.
Somebody probably needed that.
Come on, Bubba. Pull that side.
Yeah, somebody needed that cable you just cut, man. It's the driest one I've ever seen.
You want to find another one like it.
Get on that side.
Nothing.
No, it's not.
Hey, and you think this still works?
It's one.
Chrome it first, then say you don't know if it works.
Not tested. Make a hair dryer out of it.
Hey, you like how I removed this? Hey, you like how I removed this?
The antenna, the French antenna.
Somebody's gonna get mad because they're gonna say these are good fenders.
Yeah. Somebody from Cuba.
They were good fenders.
He said somebody from Cuba.